అందులో ఒక హిందీ
Good morning, miss.
తీసి పెట్టారు ఈ రోజు.
Good morning, miss. Good afternoon, miss.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
గుడ్ ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ మిస్.
Computer, which lesson did you complete? Listen, computer.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, children. Listen to me. Last class, till which lesson we completed our computer class? Lesson 2, lesson 3 or lesson 4?
Miss, your voice are breaking.
Not our voice, are no. Your voice is breaking, which you have to tell. Okay, till which lesson did we complete? Hasini, Priya, everyone turn on your videos. Tanesh, Yakub, Arvind.
Miss, bring him.
Listen. Tanish, Nanika, Jashvita, Yakub,
Good
Sakshi.
afternoon, miss.
Everyone turn on your videos. Everyone turn on your videos.
Good afternoon, miss.
Good afternoon, children. Shall we start our class?
Yes, miss.
Last class, computer, till which page did we complete?
Miss. Miss, page number.
Miss, page number.
Once keep quiet for 2 minutes. Hasri, Priya, how many?
Miss, I think 23rd page, miss.
We start Windows 7. Lesson number 3, Windows 7 we started, yes or no? We completed also. Yes? Gita miss. We completed lesson number 3, no? Page number 14. Till there we completed. How to turn on your computer, how to turn off it. Everything we completed, no? Anyone speak, ma?
Yes, miss.
Now
Yes,
objective
page
part.
number.
Miss,
Everyone
what
open.
is now page number? Ma'am.
If you stop your questions,
Miss,
I'll
what
answer it.
is page number?
Just give me 1 second gap, ma, then I'll answer your question.
Ma'am.
Page number 42, everyone in your computer textbooks. Page number 42 in your computer textbooks, everyone now. answers you write down.
Ma'am.
Coming.
Miss, Miss,
Now we'll start. Listen, lesson 3 objective part. Listen everyone, lesson 3 objective part and question answers I'll send you. Now we'll start with lesson number 4. Now we'll start with lesson number 4. Everyone open in your computer textbook page number 47. Page number 47 everyone in your computer textbooks.
Is what, miss? Your voice is not clear.
Is it clear now?
Yes, miss. Say the page number.
47. Page number 47. I want
Okay,
all of you to turn on your videos. Havish, Sakshi, everyone should to the class. So drawing with paint. Today's the topic is drawing with paint. Okay. If you want to draw in the computer, which one you'll use? You'll use paint for it. Okay. Now, if you want to open paint, how will you have to go to start button in the computer? Here is the start button. There you see, if you search here, there will be paint. See, here it is there. Paint. You'll open that paint app. See, I opened the paint app. This is how the paint app looks like. Okay. So, Satvik, please don't touch the screen. This is the last time I'm telling you this in every class. Don't touch the screen. If you again touch the screen, I'll remove you from the class. Simply, I won't tell you. I'll remove you from the class. That's it. Understood, everyone? So you have to, if you want to draw anything in the computer, you have to open paint app. You have to go to start button, like I showed you there, paint. Okay, see, this is how your paint This is how your paint app looks like. Okay. See, here there are colors for you. Here there is a size. See size. If you want to draw a line, see this thickness. If you want to draw a thin line, see, or if you want to draw some more, see, these are the sizes of a lines which you can draw. And here you can select all the colors. Here there are shapes for you. Okay, see, there is a line, star. If you press star and
Miss,
see, there is a star, there is a cloud. You can select that and you can drag here and drop.
Miss,
Tell me.
in my house also have computer, Miss.
Okay, very good.
Miss,
Computer has
Miss,
Ma, listen, ma, everyone listen. First of all, listen, let me tell you. So there are different shapes here. If you have any doubt, raise your digital hand. Then I'll unmute you. Okay, so here there are shapes for you. There is one arrow here. If you select that, see, arrow is drawn here. Now if you want to fill color, see red is there. Okay, and here you have to choose this fill color and see red is filled. Okay, if you want to fill green color, select green and that's it. So that's how you fill colors. Okay. Just a second, friend. Now I'll tell you about the tools here. See, there is one small eraser here. If you see, small eraser. If I select that, it will erase. See, I'm erasing this line which I had drawn before. That will be erased. Understood? If you select erase here, that will be erased. See, here it is a pencil. You can write. See, I'm writing my name. MADHU. Okay, now listen. Okay, now listen. So that is how you draw. Okay, see, with a pencil you can write. Okay, and here there is one. With A here you can type. See, I am Madhuri. Like that you can type. Okay. There are brush tools. See, here there are. See how you want your brush to be. That you can select here. Okay, then see, I selected suppose this one. So our paint will be in that. Okay, now see, again I'll select some other thing here. Okay, see, now see, I'm painting with this paint and with this paint there is a difference, right? So that's how you can select the brushes, and there is a magnifier for you. which you can zoom. See, if I press this, that will be zoomed. Okay, like that. See, there is a shapes here, polygon, curve, rectangle, everything shapes. Many shapes are given for you there. Okay, understood? Yakub, you can change color, ma. I can't show you all the colors. Just I showed you green color, no? See, you can. This is called fill color here. That. So that is changed. Okay, understood? Now, how to draw a straight line? Okay, see here there is one line given for you there. You can select that, and if you press here with the mouse and if you drop it here, there is a straight line for you. Understood? So if you want to draw a square, you have to select square in the shapes column and you can draw a square like that. Okay, again square I want to draw one triangle. Okay, understood? That's how you can draw. Drawing a straight line, you can draw a curved. So if you want to draw a curved line, see, curved line. See, curve. Yes or no? See, I'll draw like this. Again, if I want to draw, so that's how you draw a curve line, straight line, everything you can draw using shapes. Okay, you can draw a square, rectangle, oval, circle, everything are given for you in this shape. In this, and if you want to fill color, what you have to do, there is an option called fill color here, and choose the color, whichever color you want, that you can fill here. See, I'm filling it. Okay. Listen, ma, everyone, if you know how to draw, no need to tell me. That's very good for you. Later, after the class, you can practice. If you have laptops or desktops at home, that you can practice. Okay, now please listen to the class once again. Even though you know, just listen. Okay, understood? Now, see, this is what my painting looks like. I draw one cloud, star, one square, one triangle, one straight line, everything this I drawn, no? Now I want to save this. In your books means that will be in your pages. Yes or no? But here we have to save this. Then only it will be saved. After 10 days, if you want to see what you drawn or if you want to show to anyone, first what you have to save them. How to save, I'll show you. Okay? See here, there is an option called file. If you select that, there will be an option down below here, save. If you press that, it will ask you for a name. You want a name like my paint or my drawings, any name which you want to give to this. Then you have to save. That will be saved. See in the up above here, for this painting I gave you my paint. My paint is written there for you. So first you have to go to the file, you select that. There is an option called save and you can save it, press that, and for your file you have to give one name. That with that name only this file will be saved. Now you saved, no? So that will be saved for you. Now you have to exit from the paint. Exit from the paint means in the right side corner, the right side corner there is one cross mark in red color. there is one cross mark in red color. If you press that, it will be exited for you. Understood? So that's how you draw a paint. If you don't have computer, no problem. Once you are back to school, we will practice this in our computer lab, okay? I told you only if you have, then only you practice. Otherwise, no need to worry. No need to trouble your parents. Understood? Now, in the group, I'll post you lesson 3. I'll post you lesson 3 objective part that you have to write down, okay? Now, every one of you open your GK text page number 22. Everyone open GK textbooks page number. Everyone open your GK textbooks page number 22. So first one is broom. Who will use broom? Broom means chipura. Chipuru. Chipuru. Okay. Who will use broom? Broom. Who will use broom? Everyone will use broom. Sweeper will use. Okay. Brush and palette. Who will use? Painter. Match that to painter. Page number 22. Page number 22. Okay, brush and palette. Who will use? Painter will use to paint. Scissors and comb. Scissors and comb will be used by barber. Who will cut your hair? Barber. He'll use scissors and comb, right? Fourth one, carpenter. Who will use hammer? Carpenter. Knife. Who will use that? Butcher. Who is butcher means who will cut the meat for you. Who will pluck your farms? Farmer. Who will do that? Farmer. Sixth one is farmer. Handcuffs. Who will use handcuffs? Who has handcuffs with them? Policeman. Policeman will have handcuffs. Saw and tape measure will be with carpenter. Eighth one is carpenter. Fourth one is blacksmith, ma. Fourth one is blacksmith and eighth one is carpenter. Piler and screwdriver will be with electrician. Ninth one is electrician. Machine will be with Tyler. First one is farmer. I am repeating it for you again. Everyone check your answers. First one is farmer. Second one is painter. Okay. Second one is painter. Third one is barber. Fourth one is blacksmith. Fifth one is knife is with butcher. Sixth one is farmer. Match it to farmer, everyone. Seventh one is with policeman. Handcuffs will be with policeman. Eighth one will be with carpenter. Ninth one will be with electrician. And 10th is with Tyler. Okay. See now, next page. Festivals. India is a land of festivals. Do you know why they call India as a land of festivals? Because in India there are many religions like Hindu, Muslim, Christian, Sikhs, Jains. Like that there are many religions and so many festivals. That's why India is called as land of festivals. Okay. First one, recently we celebrated which festival is it? Diwali. Write down Diwali, everyone. Quickly. D-I-W-A-L-I. Diwali. D-I-W-A-L-I. Diwali. What will we do? We'll use diyas and firecrackers. Diya. D-I-Y-A. Diya. D-I-Y-A. Diya. Next festival is Eid. Who will celebrate this? This will be celebrated by Muslims mostly. So Eid spelling E-I-D. Eid. Okay? Okay, Aniket. Okay. Next festival is Christmas. See, how can you say that is a Christmas? You can see a Santa Claus there. So, that is Christmas. C-H-I. Everyone write down. C-H-I-R-S-T-M-A-S. Christmas. C-H-I-R-S-T-M-A-S. Christmas. For Christmas, we all bake plum cakes. P-L-U-M. Plum cakes. C-A-K-E-S. Cakes. Plum cakes. Okay. Next festival is Guru Purab. This will be celebrated by 6. Guru. 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 Purab. 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 Guru Purab. And here Langar. The characteristic is Langar. 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 Next one is Easter. Easter is also celebrated by Christians. E-A-S-T-R. Easter. E-A-S-T-R. Easter. Characteristic is Easter eggs. For this festival, they will decorate eggs beautifully. Okay, those are called Easter eggs. E-A-S-T-R. Easter eggs. E-G-G eggs. Easter eggs. Next festival is Mahavir Jayanti. Mahavir Jayanti. This festival is celebrated by Jains. Hasri Priya, if you want to ask anything, which hand you should raise? Digital hand, no? Yes, tell me.
Miss, in Christmas you could write gingerbread cookies, Miss.
Yes. Okay, Mahavir Jayanti. This will be celebrated by Jains. M-A-H-A. Maha. V-I-R. Veer. M-A-H-A. Maha. V-I-R. Veer. Mahavir Jayanti. J-A-Y-A-N-T-I. Jayanti. 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 How we said this is a Mahavir Jayanti? By possession. Okay. Open next page number 24. Page number 24, next one. Dash covers the muscles of the body. Skin. We have muscles all over our body, no? Which will be covered by that? Skin. First one is skin. S-K-I-N. Skin. Skin will cover the muscles of our body. S-K-I-N. Skin. Okay. Next one, dash regulates the cholesterol, blood clotting and hormonal balance. Liver. Liver will help you to clot blood. Whenever you fall, you'll get hurt and wound, right? You'll get a blood from that. If liver is not working well, all the blood in your body will be pumped out. So, the liver will help you to clot blood. Liver, L-I-V-R, liver. L-I-V-R, liver. Next one, dash are the vital organs for breathing. Which is the main important organs for breathing? Lungs. The air we take will be, the air we'll take will go into lungs. L-U-N-G-S, lungs. Next one, Dash clean waste from blood and regulates the water in the body. Kidneys. Kidneys will clean the waste from your blood, and also if you have excess water, if you have more water in your body also, kidneys will throw them out from your body. So kidneys, Kidney, kidneys. That is a picture of a kidney there, which will be in one seed shape. So those are our kidneys. Okay, that's how our kidneys look like. Dash pumps the blood through the circulatory system. Heart. Which organ will pump the blood all through your body? Heart. 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 Heart will be located in the left side of your body. Okay? Dash helps us to distinguish between different tastes. If you're eating something spicy or sweet or anything like that, tangy, which one will help you to find it out? Tongue. Because tongue has taste buds. Tongue spelling Tongue. 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 Okay? Dash is to leg us thumb to the hand. Toe. 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 Seventh one is toe. Dash gives you sense of smell. With what will be smell? Nose. N-O-S-E, nose. N-O-S-E, nose. Dash is located in the skull. Which one will be there in your skull? Means head. What will we have? Brain. B-R-A-I-N. Brain. B-R-A-I-N. Brain. Dash gives you the sense of sight. Eyes. With what can we see? With our eyes. Okay? That's it for today, children. Okay? We'll meet in the next class. Have a good day. Bye, all of you.